my name is Bernard Mervin, and I want to talk about my experience with Students for Seniors. Students for Seniors is a great program that really taught me a lot about my future career and just learning how to apply for scholarships and really get used to what I want to do for the future.
Students for Seniors really taught me like how to handle, financial issues, how to keep my money, you know what I'm saying, like percentages, like what to put in my savings, what to keep for myself, how to pay for the bills and things like that. Taught me how to apply for scholarships. They taught me like, good social aspects for life, how to score a job, good interview goals, you know what I'm saying. They taught me how to make my own resume, things of that nature.
Miss Gina and Mr. Edwards have been helpful to an unexplainable degree. As you said, they taught us how to make resumes, how to talk at interviews, and I really appreciate their help, and this is a great program to join.